In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 different kinds of digital marketing. First will be content marketing, visual of digital devices like smartphones, computers, tablets, showing various forms of digital content. In today's digital age, content is king. But how do businesses leverage digital content effectively? Today, we look into the revolutionary world of digital content marketing. Digital content is defined as bit-based objects distributed through electronic channels. This encompasses everything from videos, articles, and podcasts to digital art and ebooks. A core challenge in digital content marketing is the elusive nature of customer value. Digital content doesn't have intrinsic value. Its worth is context-dependent and varies with consumer interaction. Discover how customers engage with social media content through an interactive infographic. Visualize trends, preferences, and behaviors in a comprehensive format. The marketing of digital products faces unique challenges due to these intangible qualities. Traditional marketing models don't always apply in the digital space. One major challenge is pricing strategy. With content so readily available, how do marketers determine a fair price for digital products that consumers are willing to pay? Moreover, the marketing communications landscape has shifted. Digital channels demand that information be both a strategic and communicative tool, fundamentally changing how products are marketed. Digital content marketing isn't just about selling, it's about creating a dialogue with consumers, offering them engaging and valuable experiences that foster long-term relationships. Looking ahead, the digital content market continues to evolve. Interactive and personalized content is becoming the norm, driven by advancements in AI and machine learning. Looking ahead, the digital content market continues to evolve. Interactive and personalized content is becoming the norm, driven by advancements in AI and machine learning. Businesses need to adapt by focusing on these new capabilities to enhance the consumer experience and deepen customer engagement. Understanding digital content marketing is crucial for any business looking to thrive in the digital era. By embracing the unique challenges and opportunities it presents, marketers can unlock new ways to deliver value and drive growth. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to our channel for more insights on digital marketing strategies. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching. For the content marketing services, kindly connect me on LinkedIn so that you may learn more about my projects. Additionally, for search engine optimization marketing services,